Welcome to my channel, guys. Today we'll be learning how to create a grenade launcher in Lyra game using Unreal Engine. Let's dive right into it. Click on content, click on all, move upwards, click on shooter core content, right click, scroll, click on show in new content browser. Scroll down and click on weapons. Once the folder is open, right click, scroll up and click on new folder. I'll go ahead to rename this grenade launcher. Once that has been done, click on net shooter _ proto folder. Once that is open, go ahead to highlight all the icons except B _ net shooter. Then click on weapons on the top right here. I'll move right here and click on grenade launcher folder. Open it up and then paste the copied asset. Now simply click on GA _ weapon net shooter and then rename it to GA _ weapons grenade launcher. I'll go ahead and rename each and every one of these icons, changing the net shooter to grenade launcher at the end of their names. Click on weapon pickup data _ grenade launcher. To exit this right now. Then I'll move my mouse right here and change to ID grenade launcher item right under the entry item definition, the equipment. Move my mouse and click the save button right here. Click the content drawer, scroll and click on weapons. Right ahead to click on grenade launcher folder. Scroll around and click on ID _ grenade launcher. Once this is open, scroll to the display name and rename it as grenade launcher. Scroll down and change the equipment definition to WID _ grenade launcher. Scroll down. Here I'll be changing it to the grenade launcher right under the display name when equipped. Scroll down to the display name of index 3. Change the shotgun to grenade launcher. Scroll and hit the save and compile. Come down under the elements. Element 0, change the value to 10. Set this as well to 10. Move down to element 2 and set the value as 20. Scroll up and click save and compile. Click here, click on content drawer. Go and click on WID _ grenade launcher. Just come right here under equipment and change to B _ weapon instance _ grenade launcher. Change this to set _ grenade launcher. Next, I'm going to change the auto to span by clicking on this browser icon right here. Copy B _ shotgun. Click on weapons just right on the top here. Click on grenade launcher. Paste the B _ shooter gun right here. Click on it and rename B _ grenade launcher. Click on it. I will dock this to the top right here. Scroll down right here. Under Lyra, reset the shell eject system like this. Also reset the trace system and the shell eject mesh. Scroll and click on comply right here. Click on content drawer. Scroll up and click on weapons. Click on shooter core content. Scroll and click on weapon. Click on the folder called grenade. PB _ grenade. Move my mouse and click on shooter core content right here. Scroll and click on weapons. Click on grenade launcher. Next, I'll go ahead and paste B _ grenade. Click and rename it B _ grenade launch. Open it. Scroll right here and click on WID _ grenade launcher on top. down to actor to span. Click here and change it to G_grenade launcher. Scroll and click on save and comply. Scroll down and click on B_weapon instance_grenade launcher. I will scroll under weapon on equip montage and select AM_MM_rifle_equip. Scroll down to player parameters and set spread angle multiplier aiming to 0.0x. So also set spread angle multiplier standing still to the same value. Click on save and compile. Click the iDefault editor overview. Click on content drawer. Scroll and click on ability set_grenade launcher. Once it is open, go to ability and set to GA_weapon grenade launcher. To index 1, under ability, click on the browser icon. On G_weapon_reload_net shooter to copy. Click on shooter core content on top. Scroll down and click on weapons folder. Click on grenade launcher folder and paste it here. I will rename this by replacing the net shooter with grenade launcher at the end. Go ahead and click on it. Scroll to play rate and set to 1.0. Click on file. Click on ability set_grenade launcher right at the top here. Next, I will change the index 1 ability to GA_weapon_reload_grenade launcher. Click on save. Then I'll move and click on bot editor overview right here. Click on content drawer and move your cursor and click on GA_weapon grenade launcher. Zoom into the event graph. Click on class on the spawn actor B net shooter node and change to grenade launcher. The thing to do is to delete this two node, the print string and commit ability cost node. Move to the left like this. Click on temp hack offset fx_2 node. Highlight all the nodes here. Scroll up, click on event graph, paste it on get direction and location event graph. Adjust the node a little bit forward and delete the core actor forward vector node. Next is to delete the add pin node, the get camera location node. You can delete the vector addition node. Delete also the get socket relocation node. I'll go ahead and click on the offset GCN node. Move to the details panel by the right hand corner and change my default value, setting the Z value to -2. I will be tracing the execution pin of the add node to the output nodes. Always remember to click on save and comply. Click on the default editor overview. Click on content drawer. Scroll to the top and click on web. Select and open shotgun folder. Click on G and copy GCN_weapon_shotgun_fire icon. Click on weapon. Scroll and click on grenade launcher folder. Paste the assets. Rename it GCN_weapon_grenade launcher_fire. Thing I'm going to do is to open up GCN_weapon_grenade launcher_fire. Then click on blue play Q right on the details panel. Scroll down and tick fire in order to create an effective grenade launcher. Click on save and comply. Click on the default editor overview. Click on content drawer. Scroll and open now GA_weapon grenade launcher. This time not the reloaded. Click on class defaults at the top. Scroll down to the details panel and click on gameplay clip impact. A dialog box will appear. Tick fire. Then click on save and comply. Click on content drawer, move and click on all. Scroll down and click on weapons. The next thing you want to do is to create a projectile, and you do so by clicking on B_weapon assets and right click. Scroll to create child blueprint class. I'm going to rename this B_weapon_projectile. Open up this asset, click on event graph. Right here, click on assets GA_weapon grenade launcher. On its details panel, click on gameplay queue impact and reset its details. To deal with the firing of the grenade, next door, click on gameplay queue tag firing on this asset and tick fire. To the left corner, click on save and comply. Click on B_weapon projectile assets at the top here. Right click, type in custom event. Rename it fire projectile. Click on content drawer, click on weapons, click on B_weapon. Adjust it, scroll to the left and click on event graph. To zoom in, highlight and copy these notes here. Click on B_weapon_projectile and paste the copied notes. Move, drag, zoom in, yeah, right there. Click on the set notes right there. On the text panel by the right, click plus icon on inputs to add a new input argument and select the variable to be vector. Set the variable type to array. Trace the fire projectile execution pin to that of the set node. Trace the execution pin of the set node to its valid node. Highlight these two set nodes and delete. Adjust the fire node, adjusting the fire node. Trace set execution pin to fire node. Trace, move to the left. Right click, type in start position. Trace the fire projectile execution pin to the set node. Trace the set node to its valid node. Trace this to this. Scroll, click on save and on compile. Click on B_weapon_projectile. Untick the enable shell eject and enable tracer on the spam actor B_weapon fire node. Click on compile and save. Click on this right here. Click on unboxed and paste the highlighted notes. Adjust these notes right here. Trace the Lyra get weapon to cast to B_weapon_projectile. Trace the execution pin of the cast to B_weapon_projectile. Fire projectile. Trace the execution pin of the fire projectile node to set weapon sound parameters node. Trace the make array node to fire projectile new parameters. Trace the as B_weapon execution pin to object at cast to B_weapon_projectile node. Trace B_weapon projectile to target. Click on compile, click on save. Click on file, scroll down and click on reprint blueprint. Click on B_weapon projectile. Click on content drawer. Click on tackle content. Click on maps. Select this map, L_shooter gym map. Changed color of choice. Scroll down, click on weapon definition and select weapon pickup data _ grenade launcher. Click on play, and there you have it, guys. Target and shoot. Thanks for watching. If you found this video interesting, please subscribe, like, share, comment, and click on the notification button to get notification whenever I post a video. Bye.